All right, let's get started. Hey, happy Tuesday, everyone. I'm definitely it's a beautiful Tuesday for me because I love the rain. Let's go around, share some wins for the week. Let's start with Alex.
Yeah, I went to an open house. I Friday we set up signs. I went door knocking,
Oh, wow.
and Saturday we did the thing. I did it myself from 10, and then she came at 12. But I got one application. I went last night to at 7 p.m. to the guy's house to pick up all the paperwork, and pitched another four people through there, and I was able to help her get some offers in from some Spanish speakers.
Really?
Yeah, she really
Wow.
liked it. Yeah, and she sent me over a few other clients as well to speak with.
That's
Yeah.
great. That's
hmm
awesome. That is awesome. Did you hold it both Saturday and Sunday?
Just Saturday. We only did
Okay.
Saturday.
How was the traffic?
It was pretty bad, but I have fast track,
Oh,
so it wasn't bad for me. But she was stuck in traffic.
right on. Right
Yeah.
on. Good job, man. Hey, man, I envy you too, man. It seems like you've been doing a lot better of a job than I have ever really in home houses. So keep it up, man.
I also went to a few open houses around the neighborhood,
Uh-huh.
and mostly all of them they already have lenders in them. And in my neighborhood, specifically in Garden Grove, it's Loan Factory and Vietnamese, mostly people.
Gotcha.
Yeah,
Gotcha. Well, yeah, I'm familiar with Loan Factory.
yeah.
On, got a win?
Yeah, morning. No, I'm I guess a referral. I'm working on like a vacant land purchase
Okay.
out in the Altadena area where the fires are. So I'm kind of finding some help on that. So I'm actually talking to her right now.
Is she trying to sell her is she trying to sell a vacant land out a
She's
property that
gonna
was burned down?
No, she wants to buy.
Oh, she wants to buy. Gotcha.
Yeah.
Right on. See?
So Alex inspired me, and this past weekend I did an open house Saturday and Sunday.
Right on.
Traffic wasn't the best, but I was able to get 25 contacts out of it. But for my thing, what was great was during the downtime when there was nobody coming in, it was an opportunity for me to really educate the agent and really showcase what I can do. So for those of you out there doing open houses, keep that in mind. Don't waste the downtimes. Use that to pitch yourself even more and further that relationship.
Yep. That's the key there. That's the key. Good job. Good job. Who else do we have on? All right. Well, then we're going to have two people introduce yourselves. Liza, are you on?
Yes.
Yeah, if you don't mind just kind of
Sorry.
introducing yourself, your capacity here, and your previous background.
Yes. So hi team, I'm Liza, and I have experience in Australian mortgage, and this is my first time with the US mortgage. So yeah, I am hoping to join you in the future when I'm finished with the onboarding process.
Awesome. And did you say
Yes.
Australia mortgage?
Yes, I am. I
Okay.
have experience like 2 years.
Okay, great. Well, yeah, pleasure to meet you. Hope you
Thank
get
you.
acquainted with the team, and we look forward to working with you.
Yeah, me too as well.
My quick win, guys, was at my son's. I coached my son's Pop Warner football team, and this was like our second or third pizza party, like get together after a game. And I believe it or not, like I don't like to mingle. I don't like parties. I'm an introvert. I honestly I don't even like doing this. But I am an introvert. I like to keep to myself. I'm good with my pizza, chicken wing, and some ranch sauce, right? But I overheard a conversation between a parent and one of our coaches, and the coach basically they owned this very, very, very successful excavation company, right? Right here locally, actually, in Orange County. And he was just like, man, hey, can you help me out? Like, I need $1 million line of credit. And I hear this guy, and he's talking to a parent. I come to find out he's a senior VP investment banker for Wells Fargo. Okay, and I just right away my eyes perked up because that was another lifetime ago, but it was something that I should have, and I wanted to pursue. And he was just like, oh man, that's not really what I do, like, this and that, but I work with a lot of like business, commercial loan officers and then that, let me get you hooked up. And this coach has become a good friend of mine. I actually joined a CrossFit gym because of this coach. And so after he sat down, I'm like, hey, Nick, like, I didn't mean to eavesdrop, but you know what I do, right? And he's like, yeah, you do your mortgages. He's like, no, not only, yes, mortgages, but I also do commercial lending. He's like, oh, man. And right away, the look on his face is he got embarrassed. And I was like, yeah, dude, it's cool, man. Like, I didn't want to impose myself either, but it's like, hey, if you need help with it. And so anyways, that happened. And then as we were talking, that guy heard our conversation. And he's like, dude, you're in lending? I was like, yeah, I'm in lending, man. He's like, dude, who do you work for? Blah, blah. I was like, hey, I actually used to work for Wells Fargo. I was in the private mortgage banking group. And we started naming this. So see, you would appreciate this. He knows Sammy and the Mashrikis and all them because he's like way up there. The guy has $700 million portfolio. Okay. And guys, the saying that goes, don't judge a book by its cover. This guy, he's a dad, always in a sleeve. And he's not like, particularly, aesthetically built or anything, but he's completely tatted up, has ink everywhere. He has ink here, right? He's never shaved. And my point is you just never think he is a billion dollar portfolio managing investment banker. You just wouldn't think that, right? And so we started talking. And so I don't know if you guys saw on our chat group, I said, hey, do we do 25% down on $2.1 million 10-unit property, right? Timothy, you could chime in if you want later, but so I sent that out to our commercial lenders or just our non-QM lenders. That came from that investment banker that night, Saturday night. He texted me as soon as we got home. It was like 10:22 p.m. He texted me, hey, Rogner, this is what I'm talking about. If you can find someone that can do this, 25% down, it's yours. Guys, in just a matter of 45 minutes at a pizza party I didn't really care to be a part of, and even when I go, I'm not really all into it, I picked up 2 deals. So yes, I'm doing $1 million commercial line right now. For you guys could Google it right now. It's Chamberlain Backhoe Services, CBS. They are an excavation company here in Placentia, literally in my hometown. My fellow coach is the owner of it, it's family operated, and he didn't know that I did commercial lending. We have an option for that. And that led me to another deal. This all happened Saturday night at 10 o'clock p.m. No joke, right? And so what am I trying to highlight here? Just like what Alex is doing and what C is doing, guys, as loan officers, look, if you're not buying leads off of Zillow, whatnot, you got to make your presence out there. You got to have conversations. To be honest, that was a learning lesson for me. I knew naturally I would not have approached him and said, hey, I could help you. I just don't do that kind of stuff. But I did. I don't know why I did it, but I did it. Right. And I'm glad I did it. And so let yourself out there, be known. I mean, obviously there's guys who use social media and brand themselves that way. But if you're not doing social media, in conversations, let people know what you do. Hey, I'm a lender. I do residential. We do non-QM loans, and we also do commercial lending and private money at that right in that regard. So it was a great win for me, guys. Monday morning I was busy as heck, and it seems like you guys were too. So good job, keep it up. Today, Peter is just flying in, and so he was going to cover foreign nationals, the whole EAD immigration and all that. I know a little bit here and there about it, but there's a lot to it, the different types of visas that you can, what really is the definition, who really qualifies under what visa, what programs do we go with right now, whatnot. But